Okay, we're going to talk about categories of numbers or number sets. So the first one we're going to talk about are natural numbers. So natural numbers are numbers that occur in real life. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. The next would be whole numbers. So the whole numbers, the only difference between that and the natural numbers is that this includes 0. Then the next would be integers. So integers include all the whole numbers, which includes all the natural numbers. But now, in addition to that, you have all the negative numbers. Okay, the next category would be rational numbers. So this would include all of the above. Also fractions or terminating decimals or repeating decimals. So terminating decimal could be something like 0.68, because if you don't realize, that could actually be written as 68 over 100, which would be a fraction. Something like a repeating decimal, like 0.333333, because that could actually be classified as 1/3. And then the last category is called irrational. So doesn't include any of above. So non-terminating decimals. So an example would be like pi. So if you look at pi, your calculator obviously runs out of space, but that just keeps going and going and going and going. Often you would see square roots in here as well that aren't perfect square roots. So you can see that they aren't perfect square roots. So let's draw a map here. So then if I draw a box, a number set box, my first one would be natural numbers, and then whole numbers, because the natural numbers occur within the whole numbers. So if you are a whole number, or if you're a natural number, you're therefore also a whole number. And then integers. So if you're an integer, you are also a whole number or a natural number. And then we have rational. And if you don't belong in that bubble at all, then you are irrational. Okay, so here is a list. So 2/5, square root of 25, square root of 30, -2, 0.17624, that number keeps going, 0, 10, -8, and 0.65. So we're going to classify where we're going to put all those. So 2/5, does it belong to natural? No. Whole number? No. Is it an integer? No. Is it irrational? Yes. Okay, square root of 25, that's actually 5. So is it a natural number? Yes. So it also obviously belongs to all those other as well. The square root of 30, so if you look on your calculator and square root 30, it gives you that, which does not look like it terminates. or repeats, so it's outside of the circle. -2, natural, nope. Whole number, nope. Integer, yes. So therefore it's an integer and also a rational. 0.17624, and it kept going, so that's not getting repeated, so it would belong outside that bubble. Okay, 0, is it a natural number? Nope. Is it a whole number? Yes. Therefore, it also belongs to integers and rationals. 10, so start in the middle. It is a natural number. -8, it's not natural, it's not whole, it is an integer. And 0.65, it's not natural, not whole, it's not an integer, but it is a rational.